friends, welcome back to Uttarashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. When it comes to watching your weight while eating food, you may think that there are not a lot of healthy options according to your dietary restrictions. We have a healthy recipe for you that is to die for. Seriously, its cheesiness and juicy taste makes it the best. Today we are making a grilled eggplant sandwich with juicy tomatoes, creamy goat cheese, and lime basil aioli. Let's start making this keto-friendly panini by slicing eggplants. Here's a tip. The key is cutting your eggplants thin. The distinctive flavor of the goat cheese goes perfectly well with the lime basil aioli and the grilled eggplants. Lay sliced eggplants into a bowl. Sprinkle the eggplant slices with salt and let it sit for 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's make our lime basil aioli. To a mixing bowl, add vegan mayonnaise. Our homemade roasted garlic powder. If you're wondering how to make our homemade roasted garlic powder, click the suggested video that pops up. Black pepper for taste. Finely chopped lemongrass. Zest of 1 lime. Freshly squeezed lime juice, chiffoned basil leaves, mix well. And nothing can beat freshly picked basil leaves from our home garden. Aioli sauce is actually a mayo-flavored sauce with generous amount of garlic. Transfer to a serving bowl and set it aside. It's been 10 minutes and the eggplants are ready. Remove, rinse in cold water and pat dry the eggplant slices. Eggplants are ready. Let's heat panini grill at high temperature. Spray panini grill with cooking spray. Lay sliced eggplants. Drizzle lime basil aioli. Add freshly sliced juicy tomatoes. We're gonna take a selfie now, so say cheese! Just kidding. Time to add the cheese to the eggplant slices. If you don't like goat cheese, you could use mozzarella cheese. Add more fresh basil leaves. This is optional. If you like, you could drizzle a little bit of lime basil aioli, otherwise skip this part. Cover with another slice of eggplant. Close panini grill and grill sandwiches on high temperature for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, eggplants have grilled well. Time to transfer this to a serving plate. Garnish with more goat cheese and basil leaves. Enjoy this low-carb panini without guilt. Next time you go to the store, make sure to grab these ingredients to make this sandwich.
If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye bye!